Hi guys, as you know Odoo 15 is out, and today I will show you how to install Odoo 15 in Windows, and also I will show you how to install VisualStudio Code because it's so easy to configure VisualStudio Code for Odoo Development. Okay, so let's start by using our browser, and let's download Odoo 15 first. So first of all, this is the address for downloading new Odoo 15: www.odoo.com/page/download. Once you go in this page, you just need to fill these primary information. So let's fill it up. Anything. And once you fill this information, you just need to choose that for which operating system you are downloading it. So I will just click on download for Windows Odoo 15. So once we have clicked that, it has started downloading here, which you can see it can take up to 5-7 minutes. So let it this be completed, and then we come back. Okay guys, once it's completed, we can just open this file now. Let's wait for the file to open. Okay, yeah, we can just say run anyway. Okay, and do you want to allow this app from an unknown? Okay, yes. Okay, now we just need to choose which language do you want. So yeah, I will choose English. You can choose any language. In here, next, we just need to agree the terms and conditions. And guys, here the important thing I need to tell you, there are two things to install here. One is Odoo server and second is PostgreSQL database. So because already PostgreSQL been installed in my system, so it's not I cannot select here. So already it's been installed, but if you were installing first time, you need to click both and then click next. Then just remain all these things the same. Next. And here the destination folder, I would say for the ease of your projects and your future work, just make a new folder, which I will make it in my C. Make a new folder. I will just give Odoo 15. Oh. Okay, let's just merge Odoo 15. That's okay, and click OK and install. So this process can take up to 5 to 10 minutes, just depending on the speed of your system. Okay, cool. Our Odoo 15 has been installed. So let's click next. And we are not starting Odoo right now. We will start it later. So let's finish it. Guys, I just want to tell you about the VisualStudio Code, because we have chosen VisualStudio Code today in this video. The reason is that it's one of the most popular coding IDEs used by developers. It has a simple UI, and also the extension features make the coding process a lot easier. Configuring the Odoo development environment within the VS Code is also simple. You can use any other IDEs like PyCharm or Eclipse people are using, but well, as far as I'm concerned, I like VCode, so we are talking about VCode today in this video. So so I have just put the address here, so you can have the address here for downloading VisualStudio Code. but I will also give all these addresses and one more file which you need to copy further. I will just put it in description. So this is core.visualstudio.com and download. We can click because we need it for Windows. Let's click on Windows, and our downloading has been started. It will not take that long. So okay guys, the file has been downloaded. We can open our file and we'll start we'll start installing it. So yeah, I accept the agreement. Next, we can just keep the location as it is. Yep. Okay, we can create a desktop icon next and install it. That's it. Cool. Guys, VisualStudio Code has been installed, so we can launch it. Cool. This is the VisualStudio Code environment. So what we can do, we can just choose here our working folder, which is, we just open the folder here and we just choose from the location which is in C and which is Odoo 15, and we can select the folder. Sorry, we just need to choose the folder again. And we need to choose server. Cool. After choosing the server, we just need to open any Python file. So we can go in Odoo add-ons. So okay, this is a Python file, and you can see here, once I have opened this file, you can see the Python version. You can look at here, which is 3.7.7. So we can go in our configuration file and we can tell here Python file, debug the current active Python file to debug. Click it. Cool. After choosing that, we can have our launch JSON file. So basically we need to tell our configuration here in this file. So for this, there is another file which I will give you in description. You can copy from there the launch file. You can just open it in any notepad, copy all the content, and we need to paste it there. Cool. So here this is Python Odoo 14. That's fine. Type Python request is launch. Here we need to make some changes. We need to give the address of our Python, wherever Python is. So the Python location is it's in C and it's in Odoo 15. Then it's Python and then it's Python exe. Yeah, that's perfectly fine. Guys, I just want to tell you about this console settings. In VisualStudio Code, we always use integrated terminal, so that's also okay here. So that's, I believe it's perfect. One thing also you need to do, there is a Odoo configuration file here. So so we need to make a small change there. So I open this Odoo configuration file. So you just need to comment this line, log file. Just comment this, and that's it. So we are going to run this now, so you can click run. That's it. So the terminal is running now. So guys, you can see here the port number 8069. It's running on 8069. So let's try. If we just go on localhost 8069, so that's it. Our Odoo 15 is responding. So what we can do, we can just give our new database name, which any name you can choose. I have chosen test and test and okay. Any password which you can remember easily, and then we can say create database. You can also click on demo data. If you will do that, then the demo data also will be installed. So in background, actually it is creating the database and setting all the settings for our environment, which you will see shortly. So as you can see, our Odoo database has been created, and this is our main application view. You can see because nothing has been installed, so there is no application installed at the moment. But what we can do, we can install sales, we can install inventory, purchase, whatever you like. So it will take some time. I just want to show you once it will be installed how it will look like. It's still loading after installation, after installing sales module. It's taking some time. I believe it's done. Just loading. Yeah. So if I again click on home menu, you can see here the sales module is there. If I click, you can just, so yeah, this is our sales module. In the same way, if you can go in application, you can install more modules like purchase, inventory, CRM, anything you like. So please note, this is a community version, not enterprise version. There is a small difference, but this is community version. Guys, this is just related to the installation of VisualStudio Code and Odoo 15 and their interaction. Please give a like or your comments if you like this video, and if you just like to ask any questions, I will love to answer those. Thank you so much. Thanks guys.